So one way to do this, let's go here. So this is something you can see. This is good to see errors that pop up. And this is what I run into a lot, to be honest. This is how I debug a lot of things. So if we go here, typically, if I go down, sorry, wrong place, go to settings. And then in settings, what you want to be looking for are your connections. And then right here, it mentions it, can preview links, whatever that means. So it is connected there. Now what we can do also is Notion AI has direct connectors, I believe, and it is connected. So let's take a look here. Settings, connected, logged in, settings. So it's showing it, but it's not registering when I go to pull the data. You can also look here, you can add Gmail. I've tried to add this one, that hasn't worked yet. This is actually connected and it's really good. Notion Mail is awesome. I highly recommend it because it integrates really well with all of your emails and it sets things up in a very nice AI way. So we're still having issues here. Let's look at settings here. Okay, here's where I think we can add it. Because if we go here, we can create a new property, edit properties. And I think I have to literally type in GitHub. I don't know why the AI didn't do it, but let's take a look here. Let's see if we find anything. Oh, GitHub. So it pulled up a PR, it pulled up this. Let's see if we can select something else here. We don't want PR titles. Oh, there's GitHub right here. Shoot, so it added it. So now what I do is I move this over here. Let's see if we can do this correctly. Boom, so now it's in between the repository name, which should be, right here. Let's see what properties we have here. Edit property. Status. So this is only allowing me to look at PRs. So that's problematic when you can only see a pull request and you can't see the actual repository. There probably is a better way to do this, but I don't know it. So here's what you do when you run into issues. Okay, this is how I operate. We're just gonna go straight to Perplexity. What I'm also looking at doing is maybe I just eliminate Notion altogether and I just use GitHub. I'm thinking more and more that's the route I need to go and just self-educate. Because even though Notion has a lot of offerings, hear me out, you don't want that many softwares, especially for project management. You only want one. So I'm thinking more and more, I'm gonna just use GitHub to manage everything and get that set up properly. It's also far cheaper. It has basically everything we need built into it, all the project management aspects, because it's got the spaces and the project, literally the project management space. So I'm thinking that's what we'll do and have the team learn how to use GitHub and focus on that. You're like, have your team learn GitHub? Don't you have a bunch of engineers? I'm like, well, no, we don't. We have a bunch of people that can program and build. That's the gist of it. So let's see here.